In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DocuSign to Gmail. Easy integration, full 2025 guide. We're going to set up the official DocuSign add-on inside Gmail so you can prepare and send documents for e-signature without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser, and if you can, use Chrome for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want DocuSign available. Inside Gmail, look to the right-hand sidebar. You should see a panel with app icons. Click the plus symbol labeled Get Add-ons. If you don't see the sidebar, look for a small arrow near the bottom right to expand it. Clicking the plus icon opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel on the right. In the Marketplace search bar, type DocuSign. From the results, choose DocuSign e-signature for Gmail. This is the official integration that lets you draft, send, and track signature requests directly from your inbox. Open its listing to confirm you're on the right one. Next, click Install, then Continue. When prompted, select the Google account where you want the add-on installed. You may be asked to sign in again to confirm. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to grant access. These permissions let the add-on read email, metadata, and attachments so it can attach files to an envelope and help you send them for signature securely. If you're using a work or school account and you see a message that installation is restricted, that simply means an administrator needs to enable Marketplace apps first. Once installation finishes, refresh Gmail. You can reload the page or close and reopen the tab. After it reloads, look again at the right-hand sidebar. You should now see the DocuSign icon in that panel. If the panel looks collapsed, expand it so the icon becomes visible. If you don't see the icon, double-check you installed it on the same Google account you're currently using and refresh one more time. At this point, the integration is ready. The next time you open an email with a document attached, click the DocuSign icon in the sidebar to start preparing it for signature or to sign it yourself. The add-on will guide you through attaching the file, placing fields, and sending it out, all without leaving Gmail. As a tip, keep your browser updated for best performance and consider pinning the Gmail tab while you work so your session stays active. That's it. You've successfully connected DocuSign to Gmail, giving you a faster, more reliable way to handle signatures right from your inbox.